Good morning, students. So, we are on the topic of reflection. So, we are doing this reflection concept now. So, what we have studied till now, what is reflection? What are the laws of reflection? We have studied that. And next, we will study the concept of image. What is this image? Image is the impression made by mirror of the object that is placed in front of it. It's the impression of object that is placed in front of a mirror. In front of it. There are two type of images. One is a real image and one is a virtual image. So what is this real image and what is this virtual image? Suppose a mirror is there. Okay, this is a plane mirror. A ray is falling, means two rays, they are falling. These two rays, they are coming from the object, and after reflection they are meeting at a point. At the meeting point, image of the object is created. If the rays of light meet at a point after reflection from the reflecting surface, we can say a real image is formed, and it can be obtained on screen. Remember that it can be obtained on screen. So this is the first concept of this real image. The virtual image is exactly opposite to it. With the two rays, they will never meet. They will appear to meet behind the mirror. Like it is going like this. Suppose it is going like this after reflection. So they will appear to meet behind the mirror here. And at this location, image will be formed. If the rays of light appear to meet at a point after reflection from the reflecting surface, we can say we got the virtual image. And this virtual image, it can't be obtained on screen. So this is, it can't be obtained on screen. So what is real image? If rays of light meet at a point, rays of light meet at a point after reflection from reflecting surface, then a real image is formed. And in same definition will be here. If a rays of light appear to meet at a point after reflection from reflecting surface, then virtual image is formed. Means rays appear to meet at a point. Then virtual image is formed. So there are two types of images, real image and virtual image. And you know that we are having a plane mirror in our house, and we are standing in front of a plane mirror. We got the image of ourselves in the plane mirror. So what kind of that image is? So this real image is formed in front of the mirror, and this virtual image, it is formed behind the mirror. So this is also a main important point. The image is being formed in front of the mirror, image is being formed behind the mirror. So like this. So now we will discuss the plane mirror is also forming the image. What are the properties of that image that is formed by the plane mirror? So we will discuss that. So the properties of the image that is formed by plane mirror are: a plane mirror forms a virtual image. A virtual image means an erect image is formed. When we are standing in front of a mirror, the erect image, बिल्कुल सीधा image of our body is formed in the mirror. and rays of light are appear to meet behind the mirror. This means image is formed behind the mirror, and this is an erect image. Erect means head will appear head and legs will appear legs at leg side. The right side of our body appears left and the left side of our body appears right. So this is a phenomenon known as lateral inversion. So the image we are getting in mirror is laterally inverted. That means right side of object appears left side and left side of object appear right side. The image is of same size as that of object. If the object is of 6 feet, we will get the image 6 feet in the mirror. If object is standing 30 centimeter away from the plane mirror, the image will be formed 30 centimeter behind the mirror. So image formed at same distance behind the mirror as object is standing in front of the mirror. So these are the 5 features of the image that is formed by a plane mirror. So next topic in our book is spherical mirrors. The spherical mirrors, we can also call them spherical mirrors or we can call them curved mirrors. So spherical mirrors are those mirrors whose reflecting surface is a curved one, like this. This is a curved reflecting surface. Either they are polished from the outer side or either they are polished from the inner side. So this is the inner side of mirror, this is the outer side of mirror. This is the inner side of mirror, this is the outer. So there are 2 types of spherical mirrors, whose one name is concave mirror and another name is convex mirror. In concave mirror, the inner side is used as a reflecting surface. Means the reflection will take place from inner side. Reflecting surface. And outer side is a polished. So in convex mirror, the inner surface is a polished one. The inner surface is polished and outer surface is used as a reflecting surface. So there are 2 types of mirrors. One is concave mirror, one is convex mirror. In concave mirror, the inner surface is a reflecting surface and outer surface is polished. And in convex mirror, inner surface is polished and outer surface is used as a reflecting surface. So thank you. We will be meeting in next concept.